Alright, on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, I'm going to be making this grilled cheese sandwich inspired by one of my favorite food trucks, Grinders, and then I'm going to have a side of microgreen salad. So I'm going to get that frying up right here. To start off, I'm just taking some of our pork shoulder that we cooked the other day and just kind of frying it up, getting it nice and warm. Just a little butter, season it up a little bit, and that's step one. Alright, for the inside of the sandwich, I put a little cream cheese down, and then a little of this pepper jelly. And then I'm going to add the pork in and kind of fill it up with that. And then we're just going to finish it off with just a little mozzarella cheese. That's the only cheese we had. So yeah, we're going to put a little mozzarella cheese in there and then fry it up. Alright, for our microgreen salad, we got a little spicy salad mix. We'll add a little of that. And then we got some sunflowers, all just freshly harvested today. Some sunflower microgreens, and then some kale microgreens. We'll kind of mix that all together. Just really high in nutrients because we're harvesting at the microgreen level, so getting 4 to 40 times more nutrients than just eating a regular salad. So plus a little more fun, tastes really good. Probably throw a little dressing on that and eat that with the sandwich, and that's dinner for tonight.